Literally right on time. Can you see that? How I track my calories, build muscle. So refreshing. Source of protein. Big meals out of the way.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. I'm a dog, I'm a mother. I can smoke no rap, so cold in my blood, yeah. I see fast, pretty faking, so I got you.
Good morning, Muddies. It is 9 a.m. What a late start. I love it. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm DropDeadSuccess. I'm an artist, businesswoman, the founder of Mud Wellness Club, and I am an ex-chronic undereater. Today, I'm showing you guys what I eat, my new maintenance calories, and how I get my protein. Just a heads up, I do not meal prep, and it is the end of the week, so I'm really low on my groceries right now. So this is about to be a very realistic what I eat in a day. I'm trying to make my mind up. Do I want cereal or a big breakfast? Cereal or a big breakfast? Cereal or a big breakfast? I think we're gonna go with a heavier breakfast. I'd rather have the big meals out of the way, all of my calories and protein as early as I can. Spread out throughout the day though, so that I'm not eating at like 10 p.m. and have to have like 1,500 calories. I know it's not the most aesthetically pleasing, but we have 2 eggs, 2 cups of hash brown, and 2 slices of plant-based bacon. And this came out to 755 calories and 25 grams of protein. This is actually my ideal breakfast. I have mostly protein, a little bit of carbs, and then I like to aim for like 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal and fill in the rest with snacks. I'm ready to eat because this smells delicious. I almost forgot to mention with breakfast, I'm having a nice cup of coffee. Yes, I am. I have a work meeting coming up. Can't function without it. Sorry. I got a surprise, like someone, I don't know, someone just sent this to me randomly. It is immune packs from Kenny Wellness, orange flavor. It's something I would have bought from the store for sure. So they do understand their audience. And then we have a grape flavor, a calm, multivitamin, and immune. I'm gonna take the multivitamin right now. Shout out Kenny Wellness. This was like literally right on time because I'm low-key obsessed with these types of things right now. This is going to help me prep for my workout that's coming up. Oh my gosh. Our supplements are sweetened naturally with monk fruit extract and xylitol. Xylitol not only provides a pleasant sweetness without sugar, but also supports oral health by helping to reduce the risk of cavities, making it a healthier choice for your child's teeth and familiar flavors they love. Each Kenny product packs a punch to help simplify your daily routines. Immune, a powerful blend of vitamins, minerals, superfoods, and mushrooms to support your child's immunity, hydration, bone health, and overall wellness. Multivitamin, a daily multivitamin packed with essential nutrients, pre and probiotics, and organic superfoods to support immunity, digestion, energy, and healthy development. Calm, a gentle natural formula with magnesium, L-theanine, GABA, and calming herbs to help your child manage stress, stay focused, and relax without drowsiness. Supplements you can trust, no sugar, packed with goodness, sippable routine. Kids love it. This is so cute, and I low-key know who I want to give some of these to. I'm going to give some of these away. I know some mommies.
Mamacita.
Thank you again, Kenny, for sending me this package, and I cannot wait to try your products. You guys, this is literally so refreshing. This is the orange flavor multivitamin Kenny Wellness Pack. If you have kids,
if you're a mama and you ain't got your baby, and your mama got your baby, then you're not the mama. Your grandmama's the baby.
don't like drinking water, you want to give them something, you know, a little bit more fun to drink, but you also want them to get the good stuff that they need to grow healthy bodies. It's like a soft orange soda. So I'm going to be drinking this with my lunch, which is a BLT sandwich. This is sourdough bread, plant-based bacon, some Swiss cheese, tomato, spinach, red onions, and I'm going to add some hemp seeds on this, which is great for extra source of protein. And if you haven't noticed, I like to mostly get my protein from plants. So you are going to be seeing a lot of plant protein and vegan protein supplements in here. And we will talk a little bit more about that later. And then honestly, I can't have a BLT without a balsamic glaze. God bless my mommy for making my sandwich for me. I wish y'all could have seen that drizzle. It's so perfect. It was lit. Here. Can you see that? I went a little overboard. It's falling off over there, but like, this came out to like 355 calories, 12 grams of protein. Today we're having a few like little struggle meals. This is definitely not the normal routine, but it's something. So I wanted to share with you guys how I track my calories and protein intake. I used to eat 500 to 800 calories, if that, on a daily basis. Now I'm at a point where I am a lot more athletic and I want to grow. I might throw my numbers out there, but it's not to advise you to follow me. Do not follow me. I just want to give you guys ideas and I want to help you guys understand how to get from point A to point B. But the math that's in between is personal to you. I really want to stress that and make sure that you guys understand that what you need is going to be completely different from what I need. With that being said, the main tool that is really keeping me on track, I think I've told you guys about this app before on my channel. It's called Snap Calorie. I love this app. You can take pictures, you can talk to it, you can write in there, you can do whatever you need to do to tell it what you're eating and it'll break down the meal. You can scan barcodes so you can get specific nutrient facts and it'll tell you exactly what you ate as far as calories, servings, protein. In this app, when you set up your profile, you can also set your goals. So you can tell it, I need to get this amount of protein, this amount of calories. It'll help you break down fats and carbs. You don't really need to know that on your own. And it keeps track of a full other panel of everything else. I've pushed a drop-down menu that literally showed me things that I had never seen before. I love analytics and that's the stuff that I low-key live for. I also have a free membership. This is not a sponsored video or anything. These are really the apps that I use to keep up with my metric. If you guys want to keep up with my journey, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Give me a DM. Let me know that you came from my YouTube. It's a new page over there. It's like brand spanking new. I post on there whatever. But it's just like so boring when you have nobody to talk to. You know what I'm saying? But I'm active on my stories. I'm active on my timeline. I'm active in my DMs. Swipe up and like literally just chat with me. I can't wait to talk to y'all. Having some chickpea pasta with shrimp and green onions, and then I topped it off with some nutritional yeast and some hemp seeds, which are both great for extra protein. This came out to about 456 calories and 33 grams of protein. So after this, I think we'll have around 900 calories left and maybe 20 grams of protein left to get in, so we can have a nice dessert and maybe even a snack in between those. I feel like they should low-key make a candle, fresh cracked black pepper. Bath and Body Works, get on that and give me my coin for that, because what? I swear Cass getting that spray bottle was like grabbing the belt. Child. Anyways, it's time for a sweet treat. The shake, 20 grams of protein. I think this was like 40 calories or something like that. This is usually about, ooh, girl, I need to make sure I check on my app, y'all. I don't know how much this is, but I'll put it on the screen. This is my nice little sweet treat that I like to have at night if I have enough calories and protein left over. I still have a few hundred calories left, but that's okay because we hit our protein. Every day is not going to be perfect. And girl, honestly, we eating so much, I don't think it's even gonna make a difference. Last but not least, I wanted to note that if you are a chronic undereater like me, trust me, girl, you're not alone. It can be challenging to overcome, but there are tools to help you. Food is not the enemy, it is fuel. And unfortunately, a lot of us have been misinformed and undereducated about what fuel we should be using. Please get down. Better get you. My mom says that's cat abuse. Is that cat abuse? Please let me know. He doesn't understand anything else. I don't know how to get through to him. I feel like we were having a heart to heart and then just, I don't know, it just got interrupted. For me personally, and I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate, there is a little bit of fear surrounding food right now just because so many people are having so many different conversations and there's so much conflicting information out there. We just don't know what to believe at this point. But like I was saying earlier, it's personal. Everything about this food, health, fitness journey, it's between you and yourself. If it doesn't fit right with you, it doesn't fit right with you. But please listen to your body and make sure that you're doing what's right. You should enjoy food. You should enjoy movement and you should enjoy being inside of your skin. I wish that for everybody. So no, I'm not shaming anybody or anything. I'm standing with you guys and I'm letting you know that I've been there. With that being said, I'm going to stop yapping so that I can occupy my mouth using the, taking down this food. That I started saying something that sounded a little crazy. So I tried to like take a detour and stuttered a little bit. But I've been staring at the screen for a while now. So go touch grass.